Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining exactly what you want from VPN data, because goals shape capture and retention. Once done, pick a provider and confirm protocol access. OpenVPN or WireGuard changes the artifacts you'll see. Install the client on the device to monitor and enable verbose logging. Make sure DNS logging and split tunneling are set when you need local traffic excluded. Start a controlled session. Note start time and baseline throughput, so you have timestamps and performance context for later analysis. Once captures are running, focus on consistency. Label each session and record exact start and end times so you can correlate logs. Use tools like TCP dump or Wireshark to capture packets and apply live filters for IP, port, or protocol to reduce noise. After gathering, export PCAP or CSVs and extract DNS and TLS handshake records. This helps you identify endpoints and encryption methods. Make sure to align client-side logs with network captures, so you can map user actions to observed packets and performance metrics. You now parse exports to answer your original questions: who, where, and how well. Use timeline views to measure latency, throughput, and packet loss. Inspect TLS handshakes to identify endpoints. Once done, produce a concise report including timestamps, sample sizes, filtering rules, and visuals that explain patterns. If your data looks wrong, first verify clock sync, MTU settings, and protocol mismatches. Also test for DNS leaks. These common issues explain many capture discrepancies and will usually get you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.